What's up, guys? My name's Dustin. I'm a graphic design lead here at Custom Offsets. I am so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. When something looks clean on the marketplace, pull the bumpers off because they're not as clean as we may think.
That's the hard part. Like, they make all of these accessories for all these trucks, belt pads. So like, they take accessories from this, and it should work on all of these generations. But there's little subtle things that are different between them all, and they put it all together into a kit, and you just gotta kind of modify things to make it actually work.
What we're learning is if things can go wrong, they do. Grab that. Grab, I can't. You need to. Put your camera down.
Yeah. What do you need?
Grab this trim shaft. Bring up. Stay away!
Any more angle. This is the problem with doing
Bro, anybody, like what the f? I was just panicked about the weight difference in this mother coming off this goddamn lift.
Oh no, so that's why we have the stands.
I've seen videos like this, bro. People out here dying. I'm not trying to get squashed by a fucking...
Not when you have these.
That's literally rear suspension.
Yep.
A couple blocks and some shocks.
Yep.
So the shittiest part about this whole thing is what? Cutting that front cross member thing?
Yeah, basically.
It's it. It's the time. It's happening. No. I know that this happens, and this is the thing, and this is the norcal. You don't fucking measure like any lines, you just do it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. John, when he did his, he went and had some like ultra professional NorCal done.
Yeah.
What is the difference between what he did and what we're doing?
This is your standard NorCal, right?
Okay. So this is what people do in their garages.
Yeah, this is what we do every day here.
Yep.
We cut the arch out of the wheel well and took a pie cut back here and then retacked the arch back here and then made a custom fiberglass cap.
What is that called? Is it still a NorCal? That's just like a hyper-professional, like technical
That's
one?
more just body work to make your wheels fit, basically.
Won't my wheels still rub here?
No, you're gonna be down here.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna send this to my friend on Snapchat of you just beating the f out of this truck.
At least now you know how long it takes.
Okay, right, what are we doing?
You gotta cut this off.
Oh, okay. You gotta cut what off?
The tie rod end.
Why?
Because they have to be shortened.
If you ever do this, you can't undo this. There's no just undoing it.
Right.
We reiterate that all the time. Okay. I did not know that. Like, I didn't know you couldn't unlift your truck. Oh my God. This is the worst thing I've ever done in my life.
A little vibration like riding a bike.
Like riding a bike, I can't feel my fucking hands. Look how fucking fresh that brake is. Look how clean, that's crisp. Yeah.
So we're gonna try and do as much stuff as we can that's underneath the truck. So we'll do rock lights, and you're doing the brakes right now. Tomorrow we'll lower it down, start putting bumpers, headlights, all that fun stuff back in. So tomorrow it should start looking like a truck again.
Up a little bit. There you go. I don't want you under there right now.
Bring you close.
I mean, yeah, that's good. That's about right.
That's gonna wrap up another day on here. We did not get as far as I was hoping to get. We got a full day of work again tomorrow.
That's nasty.
Hopefully everything goes a little bit better. Try to be optimistic.
Ready? Alright.
Whatever looks the best.
I can't see, so there's that.
You need to come towards you.
Yep. I want a light bar in there because I feel like I don't want it to be able to see that ugly ass. I don't hate it. Like the color. Like I wanted to have them paint match before we actually install them, but I don't super hate it.
You want it?
Yeah, center. Oh, yeah, that's not it. Alright, I didn't know there was 3. Hey, okay. Alright, now go. Good. Go ahead. You're fine. Everything's fine. Alright. Oh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you? Those are 5.
Just because.
Yeah, well, he's gonna have to clean it anyway, so I'm doing it for him. Good. Gotta get rid of this stamped. I love the bumpers. I just don't like the stamp.
But Dustin got his fancy EAS system, so I have to kind of creating a wiring harness. So we cut apart the harness that came with the rock lights. We're cutting apart this harness that he bought off of Amazon, and we're just gonna kind of try and make it all work. See how it works. If it works. Who knows? Cut off, and then we'll put some wheels on. He can actually come out and look at it now. It's off the lift.
All right, guys, so obviously Dustin is one of my really good friends. I actually got him the job here, and I'm super excited that he finally got to build his own truck. I know he's been talking about it for a while, so let's go tell him that it's done. Because I remember the first time when my truck got done, and I was so excited when they came and got me. Let's go get him.
It's on the phone.
You ready?
For what?
Come see your truck.
Yes. I'm very good.
Tell us squad. It looks like it belongs in the Carolinas, but it'll still be fire.
Shut up.
Come on.
Why? You're lying. Oh, she is so sweet. Yes, sir. Absolutely perfect. It's like perfect. I gotta go get Banker a high five.
Looks f***ing dope.
It looks really good.
I like it.
It's gonna fit in the garage. It's gonna fit. It's gonna be so close. We're fitting?
Yeah.
Let's go.
my garage, not yours, Paula. I've been in quite a few lifted trucks in my day. I rode with Lawson down to LTN in his truck. But I've been in some that were super good, some that were super bad. And honestly, this kit, these tires, I'm kind of in love for the most part. I mean, I've been through some pretty serious bumps and divots, and obviously we took the same way on the highway that I always used to when I go home. And you know, there's always a couple bumps that I'm just used to hitting, and this thing seems to handle them better than my stock suspension did. The Lincolns were number one. I just don't know what's out there that I like better than, you know, the ARKON Lincoln. The tires are quiet. They're not super loud. There's not like a major hum. Yeah, so Radar did a super good job with the tires. Made it. We're home. Now it's the moment of truth. The whole time we've been building this damn truck, I have been wondering if we are gonna fit in my garage. I have a 7'2" garage. I did the measurements at the shop. I think it's gonna fit, but I think it's gonna be super close, and I'm very, very, very nervous because if I don't fit, this thing stayed outside all winter in Wisconsin with snow on the ground and salt on the roads, and quite frankly, I just want to freaking be warm when I go to work in the morning. So let's do it. Let's see if she fits. Shit, what button is it? There we go. Listen, if the thing fits, I fit. I'm so scared right now. I don't like it. I did the math, Trace. That fin's in. Am I in? That fin's in. Am I in? I need you guys to understand something. We made it in. The whole reason I put the lift kit at 7 and not 9 was because I was scared I wasn't fitting in the garage. Listen, I don't want the wife to hear this. We're going 9 and we're going 37. That's what we're gonna do, okay? We're in. We made it. We got 6 inches to go. That means if I do my math correctly, I can go up the 9, 2 inches, I can go 37s, that's 1 inch because 1 inch goes to the ground, the other one goes in the wheel well. That's 3 inches. Boys. Let's go. So, my daughter, she's 5. She's been super excited every day. She's been asking Daddy, when's the truck gonna be done? When's the truck gonna be done? Because I told her that we're making it big or whatever. You know, when we got this thing from the Audi, she was like, Dad, we're so much bigger than everybody. And I kept telling her, well, we're gonna be bigger. We're gonna be bigger. So I've been kind of, you know, playing that whole card with her and letting her know that it's getting built. And she has seen no pictures. She hasn't seen the truck at all. So I'm gonna grab her quick, or I'm gonna honk and see if I can get her to come out. Hi, Ricky. Try to climb into your chair. You ready? You got her? Super cool to just know that, you know, we did this thing from the ground up. It's mine, it's built, it's done, and it's definitely exactly what I wanted. You ready? There you go. Okay, you got it. What's your favorite part? The wheels. What's the wheel?
This.
That's the tire. What's the wheel? That's the wheel.
Why'd you put lights back there?
Because I'm bougie.
What?
I'm bougie. You put lights in the wheels because you're bougie.
I don't know what that means.
I mean, all around, I'm super happy with how it turned out. I mean, I'm a kid on Christmas, man.